And here we are with another week. Welcome to Monday's workout. Today we're going to be starting a new Zoom class at noon with myself. It'll be Monday, Wednesday with me, and Friday with Coach Abby. The other Zoom classes will be Tuesday through Friday at 7 a.m. and Saturday at 9 a.m. Okay, there'll be no more 4:30 p.m. Zoom class. It'll just all be 7 a.m. and noon. Let's get into today's workout. So today we have a wonderful warm-up here of 2 sets of movements, 20 seconds on, 10 seconds off. This is a Tabata time frame, okay? So movement 1, jumping jacks for 20 seconds and rest 10. Movement 2, up downs for 20 seconds, rest 10. We're gonna go through that 4 times, okay? So moving on, both movements equals 1 set. So 1, 2, that's 1, 1, 2, that's 2, 3, 4, okay? Into 2 sets of, we're gonna continue with the Tabata, 20 seconds and 10 seconds. Movement 1, tall jump, single unders, sorry. This one, if you have a jump rope, you're just going to jump really tall and work on that posture while jumping. If you don't, work on your penguin taps, which is a hop and a double tap on the thighs. Into backpack deadlifts. If you have a dumbbell or a barbell, just regular deadlifts here. You can do suitcase deadlifts, any deadlifts that you want, okay? Going into movement 3, upright high pulls, okay? So you're going from that deadlift into a standing upright high pull, so pulling up to the sternum and back down. That does not mean that you have to go all the way to the ground. So standing means that you're gonna stay at a standing attention. You're not gonna do a deadlift. And then movement 4 is a hollow or a tuck hold for 20 seconds, okay? So all movements equals 1 set. So 1, 2, 3, 4, that equals 1 set, and we'll go through that one more time for 2 sets, okay? So next we're gonna get into our workout. Okay, here we are with the workout. There's no any additional work. This is enough for today. So we have a very interesting time scheme, okay? So we're gonna be breaking this up into 4-minute intervals here. So the first interval from 0 to 400 is a 600-meter run or max burpees, doing as many burpees as you can. Now, if you're doing the run and you finish before the 4 minutes up, you get a break. Burpees, I suggest going to about 3 or 4 minutes or breaking as much as you want, okay? So you can just split it up, do 10, take a breather, do 10, take a breather until the 4 minutes has elapsed, okay? Then we're going into 8 rounds of from 4 minutes to 13 minutes. Okay, so this is going to be, what's that, a 6, 7, 8, 9-minute interval. 8 rounds of 12 ground to overhead, 24 double unders, or 42 toe taps. Okay, so if you don't have 24 double unders, make it 40, double that for singles, 48 singles, or 42 backpack toe taps, okay? If you finish those 8 rounds before we hit the 13-minute mark, then you get to rest. If not, then you just go up until we hit that 13-minute mark, and then you'll transition to the last one, from 13 minutes to 17 minutes, back to that 600-meter run or max burpees. Now, what we want to see is, if you're doing the burpees, that these 2 match, okay? So you have a goal. You did one round while you're fresh, while you're pretty tired, you want to try and get as close as possible to those burpees. Same thing on that run, you want that time to be about the same, okay? So interesting time scheme today, okay? So we'll do our best on our Zoom calls to make sure that this works well. If you're doing this on your own, you just use a stopwatch or timer and get to it, okay? There's no after party today, so just get to work and make it happen. Next are some movement demos.